How to get Spotify Lite Premium. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get Spotify Lite Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, first thing you have to understand here is that Spotify Lite is also basically just Spotify Premium. The only difference is that Spotify Lite is a different tab but works with the same account and the same premium account. So keeping that thing in mind, what you want to do is go ahead and launch the Spotify Lite application here. And as you can currently see that I have basically a free account. Now what you want to do is basically you want to just go ahead and then update your location first of all if you'd like. If you want to update your location, then just come to the premium tab from the bottom right of the screen. Once you come to the premium tab from the bottom right of the screen, you'll be taken to this page right over here as you can see. Then you should be able to go ahead and then actually successfully get the premium version. Now first of all, what you want to do is just go ahead and launch a Spotify Lite app. Once you launch a Spotify Lite app, just tap the premium tab from the bottom right, and then here you'll find an option called Get Premium. So all you have to do is just tap on the Get Premium option. Once you select the option called Get Premium, here you'll be able to see different details as to why you might want to get a premium. You have the individual plan, duo plan, the family plan, and so on. And all you need to do is just click the Get Started button as you can see. Once you click the Get Started button over here, you will be able to successfully go ahead and then fill in your payment methods and successfully get premium in that way. So this way you can get Spotify Lite Premium, but bottom line is that it is basically a Spotify subscription itself. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.